Hello, Michelle. Week 3, milestone 3, task 1, your antique dealer assignment. All right, so yeah, sickness has been going around. Weather, it's actually been sort of kind of nice weather here, only in terms that there's no snow when normally we have 2 to 3 feet at this point. But I get it. So you chose to photograph sadness and melancholy. Use black and white. Okay, so let's take a look at your images. Um, so we have the trees with the snow, very blue, very cool, very almost kind of off-putting, like you don't want to go near them. So then we have the flowers, kind of just laying there in a puddle of water. The benches. So the playgrounds I think is definitely your stronger images, and I agree. I like the black and white. Um, it does add this feel to the images that the others just don't. Like we compared like this one or one of these two here with this one. Much more gloomy, more melancholy without the color. So the other thing to keep in mind is we're looking for you not only to illustrate the feeling and the emotion, but also how does it relate back to the story of John, the antique dealer, who is going through this process of trying to find somebody to make amends with them. Um, like I said, I think the playground images are gorgeous. How does it relate to what was your thought process on how it related to the story? Okay, looking down at your critique images. So, beautiful color. Um, all these trees. It's very busy. I think the big thing for me is there's no real subject going on here. It's a wonderful background to use for something, or maybe a model or someone. But my eye just doesn't know where to go, where to start. I mean, there's just so many things going on that I can't say, okay, this is the main subject, what I'm supposed to really tie it all back to. So just be a little bit careful with that. Um, See now, like on this one, it's obvious that the bridge is the subject, and I think it works. My eye kind of goes right to here to where the hump is, and that's kind of right on the 1/3 line. So that's where my eye starts off, and then it kind of comes down here and just works its way right out of the frame. So I think that absolutely works, and I think you made the right choice in doing this one as black and white because in color, I don't think it would have that same kind of feel to it. So hopefully these help. So like I said, just be mindful of making sure that the images, not only illustrate the emotion, but also that they make sense for the cover of the book, of the story. So hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate sending me an email.